my friends.
Waalaikumsalam.
I will introduce my team, or I can have my own FANGKI HASBIANTORO. Me as opening, and my partner Mr. ABDAN as speaker one, and Mr. SANDYA as speaker two, and then ALFANY as closing, and the last Mr. Apatan the source. Okay, we're going to presentation on how to make a journal Windows support. The time and place for speaker like Sharatan.
Okay, we go to step one. For step one, open the Word document. Open the Word document that you want to insert a photo in. So, step 2, click the place in your document where you want the picture to appear. Word instruction cursor and vertical link bar will appear at this point. When you insert, the picture bottom left corner will be at this point. If you do not select a point, the picture will be inserted whatever the cursor is currently located. So, step 3, access the insert picture dialog box. The insert picture dialog is where you will select the photo you wish to insert in your Word document. The method differs in version of Word that use the old solver and menu interface, such as Word and the never ribbon interface, such a Word. In Word, select picture from the insert menu and then select from the picture sub menu in Word, and select picture from the illustration group in this insert menu. So step 4, browse the photo you want to insert. So number 3, click the file, then click insert. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Okay, for speaker number 2, Mr. San.
First step, block the text and click the icon left. Then block the text and click the icon center. And step 3, block the text and click icon right.
Okay. Any question for my team? Any question for me, for us? Hello. Any question for how to create an image and like text? Okay. What's your name and your student number?
Pot.
My name is my student number 0303. My question is there any shortcut to use that command?
Oh, thank you, Thomas. To any shortcut, I don't think so, but I just know to shortcut just like it. To apa? So I just know to shortcut like that. To any shortcut, I don't think so, but maybe that have to any shortcut, but I just know just like my explanation, as our explanation. Thank you. So that's all for me. That's all for me. And the next, I want to give the closing, Mr. ALFANY. One more question, so that we go to will be more where needed and needed. I hope you understand me. Side so from